Health authorities in North America and Europe have detected dozens of suspected or confirmed cases of monkeypox since early May, sparking concern that the disease endemic in parts of Africa is spreading. Canada was the latest country to report it was investigating more than a dozen suspected cases of monkeypox after Spain and Portugal detected more than 40 possible and verified cases. Britain has confirmed 9 cases since May 6th, and the United States verified its first on Wednesday, saying a man in the eastern state of Massachusetts had tested positive for the virus after visiting Canada. As per reports, most people recover from monkeypox within several weeks and have only been fatal in rare cases. It has infected thousands of people in parts of Central and Western Africa in recent years, but is rare in Europe and North Africa. On Tuesday, the World Health Organization or WHO said that it was coordinating with the UK and European health officials over the new outbreaks. The UK Health Security Agency or UKHSA said that the first case in Britain was someone who had travelled from Nigeria, though later cases were possibly through community transmission. The WHO said that it was investigating many cases reported where people identifying as gay, bisexual or men who have sex with other men. WHO Assistant Director General Dr. Soche Fall said, and I quote, "We are seeing transmission among men having sex with men." The UKHSA noted that the monkeypox has not previously been characterized as a sexually transmitted disease, underscoring that it can be passed on by direct contact during sex. On Wednesday, a US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention or CDC statement said, and I quote, "Anyone regardless of sexual orientation can spread monkeypox through the contact with body fluids, monkeypox source or shared items such as clothing or bedding that have been contaminated with fluids or source of a person with monkeypox." It added that the household disinfectants can kill the virus on surfaces. CDC said that the illness often starts with flu-like symptoms such as fever, muscle ache and swollen lymph nodes before causing a chickenpox-like rash on the face and body. The Massachusetts Department of Health said that the case there, the first confirmed this year in the United States, occurred in a patient who had recently traveled to Canada and poses no risk to the public, and the individual is hospitalized and in good condition. According to the CDC, there were no reported cases of monkeypox for 40 years before it re-emerged in Nigeria in 2017.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.